Ladies and gentlemen, we acknowledge the presence of Honorable Chief Minister Odisha. Let's greet our beloved Chief Minister with a big round of applause and congratulate him on becoming the #1 Chief Minister of the nation yet again, and on receiving Lifetime Achievement Award for 25 years of selfless and dedicated service to the people of Odisha. Can we have a bigger round of applause, please? We are so honored to have Honorable Chief Minister Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik, as the chief guest for this truly special occasion. Namaskar, good afternoon. This is Shulagna on behalf of Department of Cooperation, welcoming all of you to the orientation program of our new appointees, the newest members of our family. And we are so thrilled and excited that we have Honorable Chief Minister Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, as the chief guest for this truly special occasion. Time for the formal welcome address. And may I request Secretary Cooperation, IFS, Shri Sanjeev Kumar Chadha, to please do the honor.
Good evening. It's my privilege to welcome Honorable Chief Minister to this function. On behalf of Department of Cooperation, I extend hearty welcome to Honorable Chief Minister to this function, and his esteemed presence will motivate us to work harder for the welfare of the farmers. I also welcome Honorable Minister, esteemed APC, Secretary 5T, and esteemed guests to this function. As you are aware that the core of 5T policy of Government of Odisha is technology and transparency. Packs and lamps provide short-term credit to small and marginal farmers to carry out their agricultural operations in the state. In order to make the banking services hassle-free for farmers and public at large, there is need to have professional manpower and modern technology in these operations. To achieve these twin objectives, process of recruitment of 754 system managers, assistant managers, and banking assistants of 17 DCCBs has been initiated by the department. Steps have been initiated to computerize the operations of over 2,600 packs and lamps for online transactions in CBS platform. This is a first of its kind initiative in the country, and Odisha leads this initiative. Today is a milestone day for all of us in the cooperative sector, when Honorable CM will dedicate the computerization of packs and lamps to the farmers of the state. As we move forward, the software will become more and more robust as the workload increases, and we will be withdrawing the physical ledgers from the packs within 3 weeks. And the process will be, then thereon working will be online. I once again welcome Honorable CM and look forward to his valuable guidance in further improving the service delivery for the farmers of this state. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for setting the context and for those wonderful words of welcome. Coming up next is a short film that speaks volumes about the functioning of CCBs and PSEs. Let's have a look.
मुख्यमंत्री श्रीजुक्त नवीन पट्टनायक प्रेरणा और मार्गदर्शन सबुबेले कृषि और कृषकों को प्राधान्य दे आसिछि। कृषि और कृषकों सशक्तिकरण सह कृषि क्षेत्रर अभिवृद्धि आज ओडिशा को एक बड़का खाद्यशस्य उत्पादनकारी राज्य हिसाब रे एक भिन्न परिचय देछि, जार प्रमाण हेउछि 4 थर जातीय कृषि कर्मण पुरस्कार। कृषि पाई अर्थ केबे भी बाधा न साजु, सेथि पाई आम सरकार कृषि समवाय समिति जरिया 1 लाख टंका पर्यंत बिना सुधरे और 3 लाख टंका पर्यंत मात्र 2% सुधरे कृषि ऋण जोगाई देउछंती। खरीफ और रबी फसल आरंभ रे कालिया योजन चाष काम पाई मूल पुंजी जोगाई देबा सहित उद्यान कृषि, पशुपालन, मत्स्य चाष पाई मध्य सहायता प्रदान करा जाउछि। କୃଷି ଋଣ ଯୋଗାଣରେ ସମବାୟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ, ପ୍ରାଥମିକ କୃଷି ସମବାୟ ସମିତିଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଏଥିରେ ପ୍ରମୁଖ ଭୂମିକା ରହିଛି। ଏବେ 5T ପ୍ରୟୋଗରେ ଦକ୍ଷତା ସମ୍ପନ୍ନ ମାନବ ସମ୍ବଳ ବିନିଯୋଗରେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଆଧୁନିକୀକରଣ କରାଯାଇଛି। ରାଜ୍ୟର 17ଟି ଜିଲ୍ଲାରେ ଥିବା କେନ୍ଦ୍ରୀୟ ସମବାୟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କଗୁଡ଼ିକରେ ଏକ ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାରେ 754 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପଦପଦବୀରେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ଦିଆଯିବାର ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରାଯାଇଛି। ସାରା ଭାରତରେ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ପାଇଁ ଆମ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ 2100 ପ୍ରାଥମିକ କୃଷି ସମବାୟ ସମିତି ଓ ଲ୍ୟାମ୍ପସର କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରୀକରଣ କରାଯାଇ 5T ପ୍ରୟୋଗରେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକ କୃଷକମାନଙ୍କ ଉପଯୋଗୀ କରାଯାଉଛି। ଏବେ ଆମ ଚାଷୀ ଭାଇମାନେ ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛନ୍ଦରେ ସମବାୟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ମାଇକ୍ରୋ ଏଟିଏମ୍ ରୂପେ KCC ଏବଂ POS ସେବାଗୁଡ଼ିକ ପାଇପାରିବେ। ଆଜି ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଏହି ନୂତନ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥାର ଲୋକାର୍ପଣ ସହ ରାଜ୍ୟର ଶସ୍ୟ ସଂଗ୍ରହ ଓ ଯୋଗାଣରେ ପ୍ରମୁଖ ଭୂମିକା ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିବା ରାଜ୍ୟ ପଣ୍ୟାଗାର ନିଗମର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପଦପଦବୀରେ 28 ଜଣଙ୍କ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ସହିତ 384 ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ସହାୟକଙ୍କୁ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ପତ୍ର ପ୍ରଦାନ କରି ଆମ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ କୃଷି ଓ କୃଷକଙ୍କ ସଶକ୍ତିକରଣ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଏକ ଫର୍ଦ୍ଦ ଯୋଡ଼ିଛନ୍ତି। କୃଷି କଲେ ଉନ୍ନତ, ସକଳ ଉନ୍ନତି।
धन्यवाद। चाषी मानक सशक्त करने माननीय मुख्यमंत्री स्वप्न एवं क्रेडिट और बैंकिंग सेवा जोगे दे आम CCB एवं PSC माने ए मिशन रे गोटे बहुत बड़ा योगदान देइछंती, भूमिका ग्रहण करिछंती। टाइम नाउ टू हियर फ्रॉम ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर फूड सप्लाईज, कंज्यूमर वेलफेयर एंड कोऑपरेशन। मे आई रिक्वेस्ट श्री अतनु सब्यसाची नायक टू प्लीज शेयर हिज थॉट्स विद अस, प्लीज।
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्रीयुक्त नवीन पट्टनायक महोदय, APC श्रीयुक्त संजीव चोप्रा महोदय, समवाय विभाग शासन सचिव श्रीयुक्त संजीव कुमार चढ़ा एवं 5T सचिव श्रीयुक्त VK पांडियन, आज यह कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित थिबा अन्यान्य पदाधिकारी वृंद, आज समवाय विभाग पर एक ऐतिहासिक दिन। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री सदैव अनुमोदन क्रमे राज्य सरकार आज 384 जन बैंकिंग सहायकों को नियुक्ति प्रदान करिसेंती। एतद् व्यतीत ओडिशा पन्नागार निगम रे सहकारी जंत्री, सहकारी परिचालक, अधीक्षक, सहकारी अधीक्षक और गोदाम सहायक भाव 28 जन को मध्य नियुक्ति प्रदान करा जाउछि। राज्यर समवाय अनुष्ठान गुड़ी को 5T मंत्र आधार रे परिचालित करी लोकमान को सेवा प्रदान करिया पई 2063 प्राथमिक कृषि समवाय समिति गुड़ी को कंप्यूटरीकरण करा जाइछि, जहाँकि आज माननीय मुख्यमंत्री द्वारा शुभारंभ करा जाउछि। प्राथमिक कृषि समवाय समिति कंप्यूटरीकरण क्षेत्र में ओडिशा देश में प्रथम राज्य। ग्रामांचल में समवाय सेवा प्रदान क्षेत्र में व्यवस्था एक वैप्लविक परिवर्तन आनिब। राज्यर विकास प्रक्रिया रे समवाय अनुष्ठान गुड़िकर अवदान अतुलनीय। 100 वर्षर अधिक समय धरी समवाय अनुष्ठान गुड़िक चाषी मानक सेवा प्रदान करि आसुछन्ति। समवाय अनुष्ठान गुड़िक आम राज्य में समुदाय कृषि ऋणर 60% ऋण चाषी मानक प्रदान करिथान्ति। राज्यर कृषि और कृषक मानक सामाजिक और आर्थिक विकास, विशेषकर क्षुद्र और नाममात्र चाषी मानक निमंते 1 लाख टंका पर्यंत बिना सुधर ऋण प्रदान पाई माननीय मुख्यमंत्री कल्याणकारी निर्देश एवं सारा राज्य में कार्यकारी करा जाउछि। सेहीपरि राज्य पन्नागार निगम मध्य चाषी मानक उत्पादित द्रव्य संरक्षण दिगरे प्रमुख भूमिका ग्रहण करिछि। 30टी जिले में 68टी गोदाम घर माध्यम खाद्यशस्य संरक्षण व्यवस्था रही। पन्नागार निगम तार वृत्तिगत सुपरिचालन फलस्वरूप 2018-19 आर्थिक वर्षर लाभांश बाबद राज्य सरकार को 3,07,17,526 टंका प्रदान करुथिबा खुशीर खबर। आज आपण मैंने जो मैंने नुआ करी सरकारी चाकरी नियुक्ति पाउछंती समस्त को मोर आंतरिक अभिनंदन और शुभेच्छा ज्ञापन करुछि। मोर दृढ़ आशा और विश्वास आपण मैंने निष्ठा और आंतरिकतार सह एक उत्सर्गीकृत मनोभाव नहीं जनसाधारण को सेवा प्रदान करेंगे। आपण मानक समस्त को पुणी थे धन्यवाद। वंदे उत्कल जन।
धन्यवाद माननीय मंत्री श्रीयुक्त नायक महोदय। ए विभागर सफलतार आपणकर बहुत बड़ योगदान। ଏବଂ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ସମସ୍ତ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଏବଂ ଯୋଜନାକୁ ସଫଳ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାର୍ଗଦର୍ଶନ ଲୋଡ଼ିବୁ। I can see the newly appointed members of the family, jubilant, proud, sitting with their heads held high and that confident smile. May I request you all to please come forward to have an official photograph with the Honorable Chief Minister and dignitaries, please. A red letter day in their family, for them personally, as they are here for this orientation program, where Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik himself is here to motivate and guide them for a bright future, for a new beginning. And that's a photograph that says it all. Thank you and congratulations, each one of you. Give your best effort to the new role and make the state government proud. We'll be really happy if some of you would share your story, your experience with us. Anyone here who would like to come forward? Please.
शुभ संध्या माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय और उपस्थित थिबा समस्त गुरुजन माननकु मोर नमस्कार। मु जयश्री सोरेन मयूरभंज जिला बारिपदारु आसी एवं मोर खोर्धा सेंट्रल कोऑपरेटिव बैंक रे एज ए बैंकिंग असिस्टेंट मु मोर नियुक्ति पाइछि। आम भली आशायी प्रार्थी माननकु एभली एक नियुक्ति प्रक्रिया माध्यम रे एई सुजोग देइथिबा हेतु मु राज्य सरकार एवं ओडिशा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक को मोर धन्यवाद जनाउछि। यह निश्चित रूपे ओडिशार युवपीढ़ी माननक पई एक प्रोत्साहन सृष्टि करछि। मु निजे एक आदिवासी छियो एवं मोर बैकग्राउंड बीटेक इंजीनियरिंग थिला, किंतु मु केबे भी चाहि नथिली कि मु जाई कि कोनसी कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर रे चाकरी करिवि। तेणु मु सब बेले एमती गोटे स्कोप खोजली कौटी मु ओडिशा रे रही परिबी और ओडिशा लोकंक पई किछि करि परिबी एवं एई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आसिला परे मोर इच्छा पूरण हेछि आ एहा पूरण हेई पारछि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री को पई। सेथि पई मु माननीय मुख्यमंत्री को मोर कृतज्ञता जणाउछि। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। आजिर एई अवसर रे मु प्रतिश्रुति देउछि जे कर्तव्यनिष्ठ मनोभाव रखी आगामी दिन में ओडिशार कृषक मानक पई फलप्रद भावे कार्य करिबी। धन्यवाद सर। नमस्कार सर।
Thank you, Jayashri. Your story was absolutely inspiring. Anyone else? Please.
Namaskar. Honorable Chief Minister Sir, esteemed delegates present over here, I am Biranchi Narayan from Cuttack district, joining as banking assistant in Bauch Central Cooperative Bank. I completed my BTech from KIT University, my MBA from REC, my work with Skill India. Now proud to be a part of this cooperative bank in our state. I feel proud to be on this podium and thank our Chief Minister Sir, our state government, our OSCB and IBPS for conducting such a mega recruitment drive with such transparency and timely manner. I am very proud to be with this organization and serving rural people, strengthening the rural economy. Sir, I would thank you once again and everyone else present over here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Biranchi, for those thought-provoking words. Please.
Honorable Chief Minister, sir, and other esteemed distinguished dignitaries present over here, a very good evening. I am Sandeep Saurav. I have completed my BSc in Agriculture from Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology. I had a deep desire to work for the government of Odisha and serve the people of Odisha and especially strengthen the agricultural sector, as I am myself a graduate of agriculture. I have been appointed as assistant manager in Odisha State Warehousing Corporation through an exam conducted in CBT mode, which was conducted in a very transparent manner. I had a desire to work for the people of Odisha since from my childhood, and today I am very happy that I have got an opportunity to serve the people of Odisha. Today, in this evening, I commit to serve the people of Odisha with utmost sincerity, responsibility, care, honesty, and responsibility, and observe the principles of 5T proposed by the government of Odisha. I thank the government of Odisha for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Can we have a round of applause for all new appointees, please? Ladies and gentlemen, on this red letter day, we are also launching the computerization of 2063 PSCs. Esteemed Secretary 5T is with us here. We would like to bring to his notice that this computerization will bring in a lot of transparency to the process and also amplify our efficiency. May I request Honorable Chief Minister Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik, to do the honor of launching the computerization program, please. We are upgrading the technology. We are bringing transparency, how we work, more efficiency, better results. And we are so honored that Honorable Chief Minister Odisha has launched the computerization of 2063 PSCs. May I now request Secretary Cooperation and MD OSCV to please present the dividend check of 3.07 crores to Honorable Chief Minister Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik. It gives us immense pride and a sense of honor that we are presenting the dividend check to Honorable Chief Minister Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik. The amount is 3.07 crores. This shows our hard work, our commitment, our sense of service to people of Odisha. Thank you very much, sir, for receiving, and thank you, gentlemen, for doing the honor. Time now to get the motivation and inspiration from our chief guest. May I request to please play the video message of Honorable Chief Minister Odisha.
Honorable Minister, senior officers, newly recruited personnel of Central Cooperative Banks and Odisha State Warehousing Corporation, ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to join all of you today at the induction program of 384 banking assistants in different central cooperative banks at the district level. I congratulate and welcome you to our cooperative banking system. I am also very glad that over 2,000 packs are going online on the core banking solution platform. This is the first of its kind initiative in the entire country. This is indeed a historic moment for the cooperatives of the state. I am sure it will bring about efficient and transparent service delivery in the field of banking, credit, and other operations. Cooperative banks and PACs provide around 60% of the total crop loans disbursed to the farmers. Almost the entire paddy procurement operations and procurement of other agricultural produce are done by these PACs. I certainly appreciate this. My government has been providing share capital assistance to the cooperative banks and PACs in order to strengthen their capital base. The government is also providing interest subvention support to the farmers. Core banking solutions and computerized operations of PACs have been included as important 5T interventions of the state. You are well aware of the 5T initiative of my government. It applies the elements of teamwork, transparency, technology, and time leading to transformation. All of you should follow this principle, and it carries special significance for the cooperative sector. Odisha State Warehousing Corporation provides logistic support for storage of food grains for distribution under PDS and other welfare schemes of the government. Thus, it has a major role in our welfare system. I congratulate the newly inducted 28 personnel of the corporation on this occasion and hope they will work with sincerity and efficiency to strengthen the system. I wish all of you a very successful career ahead. Bande Utkal Janani.
Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening us with your address. May I request Managing Director, Odisha State Cooperative Bank, Shri Gopabandhu Satpathy, to please propose vote of thanks.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା। ଆମର ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରଚେଷ୍ଟା ଓ ଆଜିର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରେରଣାର ଉତ୍ସ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ମାନ୍ୟବର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ନବୀନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ମହୋଦୟଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରିବା ସହ ତାଙ୍କର ସଦୟ ଉପସ୍ଥିତି ଓ ଦିଗଦର୍ଶନ ପାଇଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଅର୍ପଣ କରୁଅଛି। ସମବାୟ ପରିବାରର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ମାନ୍ୟବର ସମବାୟ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଆମ ସହ ସବୁ ସମୟରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଓ ଦିଶା ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଆନ୍ତରିକ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଓ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଜଣାଉଛି। ଆମ ସହ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ରାଜ୍ୟ ସରକାରଙ୍କର ବରିଷ୍ଠ ଅଧିକାରୀ ଏପିସି ଓଡ଼ିଶା, ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ 5T, ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ କୋଅପରେସନ୍ ମୋର ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ସହକର୍ମୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଜଣାଉଛି। ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସମସ୍ତ ନିମନ୍ତ୍ରିତ ଅତିଥି, ନବନିଯୁକ୍ତ କର୍ମଚାରୀ, ସମବାୟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କମାନଙ୍କର ସମସ୍ତ ଅଧିକାରୀ ତଥା ଆଜି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ସହଯୋଗ ଦେଇଥିବା ମୋର ସହଯୋଗୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଜଣାଉଛି। ବନ୍ଦେ ଉତ୍କଳ ଜନନୀ।
Thank you everyone for participating and making this day truly special for this family. Thank you. Namaskar. Vande Utkal Janani.